Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can add a cover image to your pages in your Notion workspace really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Now, if you'd like to give your Notion pages and databases, for example, a more professional touch, you may add a cover to them by simply selecting a given page in your workspace here on Notion and by hovering your mouse over the title of your page. So if I hover my mouse over that page here I created for demonstration purposes, I will see these three options here: add icon, add cover, add comment. So obviously click on add cover here. That is going to add a default cover like this. Now you may, for example, change it, of course, by clicking on change cover here and select, for example, one of the cover images featured in the Notion library. You may browse through the available cover images here below if you like, so you may do that, or upload your own one by clicking on upload here and upload the given cover image from your device by clicking on that button here. And that's basically it, guys. You may remove the given cover. For example, let me add this one here for demonstration purposes and then remove it just like that. As you can see, it has been removed. And last but not least, you may also adjust its position by clicking on reposition here and simply drag image to reposition just like that. Now it's all blue, so you don't see the changes, but that's actually how you change the position or adjust it of your cover image. You may save it by clicking on save position here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.